Okay, folks, first and foremost, apologies for not being able to make the Q&A session yesterday. Kirsty told me you had some questions about the MCQ test, so thought I'd come on and just provide you with some clarity about how it's going to proceed. So firstly, the case studies will be released at 8:45 to give those students who want to print the actual clinical results case studies out to enable them to read it easier. But the actual test itself won't be released in Blackboard Learn until 9:15. And you'll then subsequently have 2 hours to complete the 3 case studies that you have to complete. Each case study will have a separate BB Learn test, so there'll be 3 case studies with three tests, each test having 10 questions each. The questions will be randomized and will be presented one by one. And once you've answered a question and you submit it, then that's it submitted. You can't go back to change it. This is set up like this due to the online nature of the test, and you'll receive the feedback after the time has elapsed. So you'll receive the feedback at 11:15. Of course, I've recorded the video as well, but I'll just give you a brief insight into what it might look like. So you'll come on to BB Learn on the day of the exam. You'll go to Assessment tab, and here you'll see the class test. When you go into the class test, here you'll have the series of documents that you need to use. So the clinical results for case study 1, you can see here the attachment, the Word document. So that's the actual details of the case study. You read that, and then you go on and you undertake the class test, the actual questions, which you click here. Likewise for case study 2, here you have the Word document associated with it. Then once you've read it and you're ready, you go in and you complete the class test 2 questions. Sorry, the case study 2 questions here. Likewise, the case study 3 clinical document is here, and associated questions can be found here. What would the MCQs actually look like? This is what it looks like. So you'll get this instruction, and then you begin, and here we have a question, and once you click a question and an answer you want, you save the answer. It'll save automatically anyway. Then you move on to the next question. Now, once you have submitted that question, that's it. You cannot go back on it, okay? And then you move on to question 2, and proceed to the next one, and so on. Okay, folks? So that should be all you need for that preparation. If you have any questions, just come back and let me know.